Good day everyone. Now let's talk about the computer networking. In an information system, networking, often known as computer networking, is the activity of transferring and exchanging data between nodes through a shared media. These are some parts of the computer networking: communications, protocols, and networking programming, the development of computer networks, the role of computer networks and development, different types of network topologies, different types of area network. So now let's start the communications protocols and network programming. A communication protocol is a set of rules that enables two or more entities in a communication system to exchange data using any physical quantity variation. The protocol specifies the communication rules, syntax, semantics, and synchronization, as well as error recovery options. Hardware, software, or a combination of both can be used to implement protocols. In a network programming involves writing programs that communicate with other programs across a computer network. When it comes to network television, there are a lot of concerns that don't show up when it comes to other types of programming. Creating applications for single programs, Java, on the other hand, makes networking applications straightforward because of the user-friendly libraries. Python also includes libraries that allow higher-level access to application-level network protocols like FTP and HTTP, among others. Next, the development of computer networks. Computer technologies and their applications have advanced at a breakneck pace in recent years. The 1980s and 1990s were a decade of change. Computer networks are among the most important technical topics. The ARPANET development in the late 1960s and early 1970s is credited with laying the foundation for computer networking as we know it today. There had been networks designed by computer vendors prior to that time to connect terminals and remote job entry stations to a mainframe. The ARPANET means Advanced Research Projects Agency Network and was created by connecting packet switching computers via lines. Next, the role of computer networks in development. The Internet and other computer networks are become increasingly important in social and economic life. The rapid use of network technologies for corporate applications is a relatively new phenomenon. Many applications are still in the early stages of development and some are even experimental. The good news is that the Internet has taken off like a weed, and many people perceive it as a tool for productivity and education. The bad news is that it is virtually unknown in developing countries. The computer networks can help underdeveloped countries improve their lives at a minimal cost. We begin with a quick explanation of development, then move on to some of the ways in which computer networks might be useful, and finally, what might be done. Computer networks operate at a low marginal cost over telephone infrastructure, resulting in improved economic gain. Consider the RELCOM, Reliable Communications, network success in the former Soviet Union. In April 1989, RELCOM was founded in Moscow with a Microvax and PC-compatible 286 and 386 computers connected via dial-up lines and 2400 and 9600 bps modems. Next, the different types of network topologies. In a computer networks, there are mainly two types of topologies. They are: number 1, physical topology; number 2, logical topology. A physical topology describes how computer or nodes in a computer network are connected to one another. It is the configuration of numerous elements, links, nodes, etc. of a computer network, including device placement and code installation. In a logical topology, the flow of data from one computer to another is described by logical topology. It's tied to a network protocol and determines how data travel over the network and the path it takes. Physical topology in a computer network can be divided into 6 categories. 1. Bus topology. 2. Ring topology. 3. Star. 4. Mesh. 5. Tree. 6. Hybrid topology. And the last, the different types of area networks. While the most common networks types are LAN and WAN, you may also come across references to the following. The first, wireless local area network. A LAN based on Wi-Fi wireless network technology is known as a wireless local area network, WLAN. Number 2, metropolitan area network. A network that covers a wider physical area than a LAN, but is smaller than a WAN, such as a city. A single entity, such as a government agency or a major firm, normally owns and operates a metropolitan area network, or MAN. Number 3, campus area network. A network that spans multiple LANs but is smaller than a MAN, such as on the campus of a university or a local business. And number 4, personal area network. A network that encircles a person. Between Bluetooth devices, a wireless WAN could be built. Number 5, a storage area network. Using fiber channel technology, it connects servers to data storage devices. Then number 6, system area network, also called cluster area network or CAN. In a cluster architecture, high-performance computers are linked through high-speed connections.